Demons around, I'm holding my breath. The only way out is facing my fears. Always hope they would just disappear. I put on your truth like an armor. Your name is stronger than darkness. I'm chosen and I won't be silent.
Madaling mahalin pag pamilya mo, madaling mahalin pag gusto mo yung tao, pag friend mo, di ba? Pero hindi naman sinabi ni Lord na ang mamahalin mo lang is, hindi naman ang utos ng Lord is, love the Lord your God with all your heart, soul, mind, strength. Tapos, love the people that you like. Di ba hindi ganun? Hindi sinabi ng Lord na mahalin mo lang yung mga taong gusto mo. Ang sabi ng Lord, love your neighbor. Di ba? Love others as you love yourself.